Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using Lift Your Spirit dips, and we're going to be using this beautiful duo, and this is the September birthday duo, and it is gorgeous. So this first glitter that you see here, it's a beautiful blue chunky fine glitter mix, and it is called Royalty, and it's the perfect name. And this blue glitter is screaming royalty. I think it's the perfect name for this dip powder, and it's stunning. And then we're going to pair it with Purity, and this is not doing it justice when I'm showing you in the camera. This is stunning. It is a white shimmer dip powder, but yet it has like flecks of jewel tone light blue glitters in there that shift. It's like super iridescent. It's so pretty. And when you see it in the sunlight, it's like a whole different animal. So here are the two colors together, and they're super pretty together. So the birthday duos are available each month. This is September, and you can currently get past duos on her website as well. So we are going to be doing the gel method mani for the white fine glitter that is called Purity, and then we are going to be doing dip liquids on the blue chunky glitter called Royalty, and that is going to be on the middle finger. So we are switching it up a bit because the blue glitter Royalty has the most beautiful chunky blue glitters in it that I didn't want to do the gel method on that one accent finger we were doing because I did not want to risk cutting into those beautiful glitters. I really like September's birthday duo. It is not my birthday in September, but I could not pass up these colors when I saw them. I was like, they are stunning. I must say though, all the birthday duos that Lift Your Spirits has to offer are pretty unique and gorgeous. So to be fair, they're all really pretty, but there is something about that royal blue and the Purity glitter that together was pulling at my heartstrings. So you're going to see the gel method here with the white glitter, and then we're going to jump into some dip liquids. We're going to kind of be all over the place with the liquids today, but that's okay. We're doing our own manis at home, and that's what makes it fun. We can do whatever we want. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty are these two colors together? It is definitely the perfect duo, and it's pretty much like a palette cleansing mani for me right now, and I'm all about that. But yet we added that sparkly blue goodness to the mani, and it's super pretty. So we are going to go in with this beautiful cuticle oil from Lift Your Spirit Dips. This was included in one of the Mani of the Month boxes, but stay tuned. Cuticle oils will be on her website soon. So definitely go over to Lift Your Spirit Dips and check out all the unique dip powders that she has to offer. I really enjoy her dips and fell in love with this company. I think from the dip powders to the customer service to the little attention to details that Lift Your Spirit Dips has to offer, you will love Lift Your Spirit Dips. So I will go ahead and link everything we use in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing. Stay tuned. We do have the 13 Days of Halloween series coming up, which is starting October 1st through October 13th. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.